When the footwork is a little bit blurry, like blurry words, you know, blah, 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 use scat as a help for the precision of the rhythm, like actual vocal scat. Tum pa ki ta ku tum pi pa. Scat will help you to figure out what is happening in the step, where is the trajectory of the step, where is the arc of the step. For instance, that's my step. Tum pa ti ki tin ki ka. So if I do it absolutely, first I just figure out the placement. I need to be precise with placement. And that's my first layer of making my rock a diamond. Tu pa ti ki pa. So I need to be sure the timing is there. Tu pa ti ki pa pu, and the feet pi pa are being put in the right place. The second thing, I need to say that phrase in a flow. Tu pa ti ki ka. And once I say it in the flow, tu pa ti ki ka, I see the trajectory. I see where it starts, where it grows, and where it resolves. Tu pa ti ki ka. And all of a sudden I realize that voice can help me figure out the tricky part of the step. It's how to go from tiki, piti, how to go from here in order not to be eaten by the floor. Tu pa tiki, piti, pi. You see, I'm eaten by the floor. I cannot take off. But if I'm going to sing it, tu pa tiki, ki ka. Wow, what happened? The voice helped me to take off. The voice parachuted me into the air because the voice told me, Ksenia, this is the moment of the ah. Tiki, pi, pa. It's the moment of the peak, and from there we descend. Tu pa tiki, piti, ki. I descend. And this is how I work on making my feet specific. Because feet being specific is not only feet being specific. It's as well you being specific with your rhythm and you being specific with the whole body that will align to the rhythm that you need. Do you see what I'm saying? So it's not just feet, it's actually everything. Your whole body timing, the body knowing and the voice knowing where is it going. Yeah? And that is how the feet are precise. Because the rhythm is precise, the body is precise, and the trajectory is precise. Yes?